Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ultimate Team in MLB The Show. This exciting mode allows you to collect your favorite baseball stars and build a powerful roster. You'll acquire player cards through various methods, like opening packs or trading on the marketplace. The core objective is to assemble an unbeatable team and dominate the competition, earning fantastic rewards along the way. It's all about strategy and building your dream squad. Building your ultimate roster involves smart decisions. You can acquire new player cards by opening packs, which offer a chance at rare items, or by completing specific programs. The in-game marketplace also allows you to buy and sell players with other users. Remember to consider player attributes and how they complement your team's overall strategy. Upgrading players through parallel experience will significantly enhance their performance on the field. Ultimate Team offers a variety of engaging game modes to test your skills. Dive into Conquest to expand your territory and earn rewards, or challenge yourself in mini-seasons against computer-controlled teams. For competitive play, Ranked Seasons pits you against other players online, offering significant rewards for climbing the leaderboards. Don't forget to complete daily missions and weekly programs to consistently earn experience and valuable items for your squad. To truly excel, master advanced strategies. Efficiently manage your stubs, the in-game currency, by making smart investments on the marketplace. Understanding player quirks and attributes is crucial for optimizing their performance in different game situations. Always stay updated with new content releases, including new player programs and limited-time events, as these often provide exclusive and powerful player cards to further enhance your ultimate team. Good luck building your dynasty!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.